Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile. First, download the free PUBG Mobile application from your device's app store. Make sure your mobile device meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience, typically requiring at least 2 GB of RAM. Then, create an account or log in using a social media platform like Facebook or Google for quick and easy access. You will be ready to jump into the action in just a few moments. Once in the game, mastering basic controls is key. Use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your character, while the right side controls aiming and looking around. Tap the fire button to shoot and the scope button to zoom in on distant targets. Remember to collect essential loot such as weapons, armor, and medical supplies to increase your chances of survival throughout the match. To improve your chances of winning, employ smart survival strategies. Consider landing in less populated areas to gather resources safely without immediate conflict. Always stay within the shrinking safe zone to avoid taking continuous damage outside the play area. If playing with a squad, communicate effectively with your teammates using voice chat or quick markers for better coordination and tactical advantage. For advanced play, customize your control layout and sensitivity settings to match your personal preferences and optimize performance. Dedicate time to practice with different weapon types and learn their unique recoil patterns to significantly improve your accuracy in combat. Additionally, utilize vehicles for faster travel across the expansive map and as tactical cover during intense engagements with opponents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.